I am not sure of this feeling somehow. Why do I tremble whenever you're near? I can't seem to say my words, so you'll hear. This is the first time I'm gonna say I love you. It's the first time I ever felt so helpless deep inside. If I had to say 1,000 times, I'd tell you once again, this is the first time I'm gonna say I love you. Can this be love I'm feeling right now? I love the feeling it's giving me now. A voice inside me is guiding me now. It's telling me now to take your hand and say, this is the first time I'm gonna